Before we jump into the simple interest problems, we need to go over some financial definitions. So an investment, when they talk about an investment in the word problems, it's when you grow your money over time. So say you put a certain amount in a savings account and you leave it there and they have a 8% interest to grow your money. And so that's an investment to where you let it sit and it grows money over time. A loan is when you borrow money. So say you borrowed $200 from your parents, but they said you have to pay back $250. So the loan is, borrowing money. You have to pay it back. Principal, so that's the original amount of money you borrowed or the money you invested. So again, say you borrowed $200 from your parents, and they said, okay, well, you're going to need us to pay $250 back. So if the full amount is $250, but the principal is the money that you borrowed. So that's the principal, the original amount. Interest is a payment at a particular rate in addition to the original amount. So your interest will be that $50. So the principal is the $200, the interest is $50, and in total, you pay your parents $250 back. All right, so now we're going to jump into some of the interest formulas. So here you will have on the test a formula sheet. So the first one is the interest formula where the principal, the rate, and the time is given. So the I is the interest. The P is for principal. The R is our rate. And the T is time in years. So again, remember, we always have to convert it into that years. And for your rate, if it will always be a percentage, then you need to convert it to a decimal before you can multiply. Or you have the interest equals the A. So the A is our ending amount. So in this case, where we borrowed $200 and our parents charged us $50 for borrowing, so the ending amount we're going to pay them is $250. So that's how much did you pay, the end amount. And then that P is principal. So simple interest is when the interest on a loan or investment is calculated only on the initial amount. So only applied one time. The simple interest is only applied one time. So here we have the simple interest formula to where we get the end amount. So we have the A is our end amount. How much should we pay total? So to figure out how much we're paying total equals the principal. And then we have our parentheses, a 1. The 1 will always stay there, plus the rate times the time. And so again, you'll be given these formulas and being able to plug them in. So let's see what that looks like in the next video for our examples.